What's going on, guys? Welcome to video series number 1 in my latest ADU project. We are about to break ground right here where I'm standing now, and we're going to convert this unfinished garage space into a fully furnished 1-bedroom, 1-bath apartment. So I do have a 2-story garage on my property, and this is the bottom floor. So it's about 900 square feet of unfinished space that you're looking at right here. So in this space, 1 bed, 1 bath, we're gonna put a full kitchen, everything, laundry, everything that you may need to rent this out on a midterm and short-term basis. So check out the numbers on this. I'm gonna spend about $40,000 to completely finish out the space, make it look brand spanking new, pretty, shiny, you name it. I'm gonna spend another $10,000 or so to furnish this space. We don't need a ton since it's not a lot of square footage. And then I'm gonna rent it out on Airbnb, Verbo, you name it. And I anticipate we can bring in gross about $1,800 to maybe $2,000 on a month-to-month basis. So the numbers do look very attractive there. It's going to be a great return on investment, and I'm very excited to break ground here on this project very soon. So stay tuned, because in the next couple months, this space that you're looking at now is going to look completely different and it's going to be transformed.